Hi, I'm Shijie and I'll be presenting on my math statistics assignment. This is the Excel document that I use to store all my data. Starting with the source that claims that the average monthly household expenditure on food was 1,422 in 2023. And the null hypothesis was that the average monthly household expenditure on food was equals to 1,422, while the alternate hypothesis was that the average expenditure on food was not equals to 1,422. My result for using alternate hypothesis was that there could be different size families that have different budget and spend lesser than 1,360 on food per month, which is the mean. So I have surveyed and received 31 responses, which ranges from 800 to 1,900. So the mean of the range of data I got was 1,360, and the standard deviation using the range of sample data I got was 338.387. While I got the t-statistics from the hypothesis value minus the mean over the standard deviation divided by the square root of the data size, which was 1.017. And I used the t-test as the population standard deviation was not stated, which which needed the t-statistics and the data size minus 1, which gave me 0.317, which was lesser than the significance level of 0.05. Hence, there is insufficient evidence at 5% significance level to reject the claim that the average monthly spending on food was 1,422. So the average or family monthly spending on food is likely not 1,422. So for the second part, I calculated that at 95% confidence interval. And from the source, I concluded that X is normally distributed while the population standard deviation was not known and only S was known from the sample. So I'll be using the t-distribution test to calculate the confidence interval. And I calculated the margin of error. We needed the standard deviation, the significance level, and the data size. So at 95% confidence interval, I calculated that the 1,235.879 less than the hypothesis, which is less than 1,484.121. And the first value was calculated from the mean plus the margin of error, while the second value was calculated by the mean minus the margin of error. And that is it for my math presentation assignment.